Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, we are going to talk about how to run the tests and how to debug the tests. Before we start, let's recap what we have learned in the previous video. We learned how to create a POM project with a complete demo. And today's self-evaluation question is, what is the purpose of init.py file in Python? Please answer in the comment box. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go and watch it to get to know the answer. Let's get started. At first, I'm going to show how to configure Python test in Test Explorer of Visual Studio Code. And then I will show how to run the test and how to debug the test. For that, let me open VS Code. This project we have created in our previous session. So the same project I will be using for this demo also. Till now, we have used this terminal window to execute the test cases. We will be passing pytest-s command here. Using that command, the test case will be executing. So today's demo, I am going to show how to execute the test cases from Test Explorer. So to open the Test Explorer, we have to right click here and open this testing. This is the Test Explorer. So first we have to configure the Python test. So for that, I'm going to click on this button and we have to select the Pytest framework here. So we are going to configure Python test with this Pytest framework. As soon as we click that Pytest framework, this folder list will be displayed over here. So we have to select the folder where the test cases are available. So I'm going to select test folder. So here only our test cases are available. So I'm selecting this. Yeah, after selecting the test folder, this hierarchy will be displaying. So this is what the test case hierarchy. So from the root folder, it will be displaying. So if you wanted to execute or debug by using these icons, we can do that. So the first icon is for run test and the second one is for debug test. So if you wanted to run the test case, you have to click on this run button. Yeah, test case is executed now. And the result also displayed here. This green color tick symbol is saying that test case is passed. If there is any failure in red color, it will come as an into mark. So if you wanted to debug the test case, we have to click on this icon, debug test. So before that, we have to put the breakpoints. So here in the file explorer, so we have to open this test home.py file, and here we can put the breakpoints. So this red color symbol is called a breakpoint. So if you click on this left pan, the breakpoint will be added. So I have added the breakpoint for this line. This fourth line, I have added the breakpoint. So now if you come and execute the test case, so I'm just debugging the test case. The execution will stop here in this breakpoint. See, the execution is stopped. So from here, we can use these tools. This is the debugging tools. By using these tools, we can debug the test cases. So when we debug, this variable section will show all the local and global variables list, and this watch window will show the we can add the variables over here so that during the runtime we can see the variables value. And this call stack will display all the methods or functions here, functions list. So based on the execution hierarchy, it will show the functions list. And this breakpoints will show the breakpoints list. So here I have added only one breakpoint. That's the reason it is showing this one. If I add one more breakpoint here, so that also will show up here. Yeah. Now I'll continue the execution. So when I click on the continue, it stopped in the next breakpoint. Again, once more, if I continue, it will finish the test case because there is no other breakpoints. So here there is a file called settings. So this file is automatically created file. When we configure the Python with the Pytest framework, that time it is automatically created. So we no need to modify anything here. Based on our selection, these values are added. So if suppose if we add one more test case in the Python file, let me add one more test here. So now if you see the test explorer, you can see both the test cases. So two test cases will be displayed. Suppose if you wanted to execute both the test cases, you can click on this icon. If you click on the file level, if you click on, all test cases will be executing. Individual test case level, if you wanted to execute, means you have to go to that test case and then you have to run the test. Yeah. And also you can execute the test cases from here also. So here there is a simple tick symbol. So by clicking this one also you can execute the test case. And by right clicking this one you can debug the test. So I'll just continue. There are some set of commands are also available to execute the test cases. In our slide it is available. Let me show you. If suppose if you wanted to run the test cases by using the command, you can use these commands. I'll just hold on for some time. You can take the screenshot of this. Moving on to the next slide. And the next one. Let me show you how to execute this command. So if suppose if you wanted to execute all the test cases, then there is a command called test run all test. You just copy this command, go to the VS Code. From here, if you right click this page, you can get this command palette. So by using Control Shift P also, you can open the command palette. I'm just clicking this one. So this is called command palette. So here you have to paste the command and enter. See, all the test cases will be executing. The same way you can execute all the other commands. So let me show you some other command also. If suppose if you wanted to run the test at cursor, then you copy this command. Run at cursor means you have to select any test case and open the command palette. I'll press Control Shift P and paste the command, enter. See, selected test case will be executing. So where the cursor is there, that test case will get executed. And I'll show you one more command also. Suppose if you wanted to see the output, you can select this command. This is the output window. I'll just close this one. So now I will go to the command palette. Paste the command and enter. See, and this page will be opened. This is all about how to run the test and how to debug the test. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.